My friend, I'm gonna pay it forward to you today. I got some money for you.
What?
So that's 500 bucks, my friend. Make sure you take care of your dog.
Come here, dog. I'm gonna buy a van. I swear to God, brother, I'm getting off the streets.
Your dog's eating a shoe. Try to get off the streets if you can, man. What'd you just say?
You are an angel.
You said there is a God? I hope so. I hope so. What's your dog's name?
Go.
All right, Scout. You have a good day. Now, some people will probably say he might use that money for drugs and alcohol. And there's some truth to that, but I don't know. At this point in my life, I don't feel like it's my place to judge everything, figure everything out, try to help. Some people use it in the right way, some people abuse it, but for the people that do use it, at least people didn't hold back giving because of the people who do abuse it, you know what I mean? Plus with that guy, I kind of have a soft spot for dog. He's got his dog, I want to make sure his dog, hopefully buy some dog food, vet bills, you know. I feel like animals are a lot of times helpless. For all of you that are successful out there, count your blessings. Success and fame and money is short, but the good karma of giving to other people hopefully lasts forever. Help the helpless without too much judgment. I wonder what the world will be like if everybody, all 7 billion people, didn't go to sleep until they did one random act of kindness. Be interesting. I'm no expert, but probably better than all the nonsense that goes on now in the world. Violence, injustice. But what do I know? Until someone figures out the answer, I guess I'll keep giving to the homeless and the helpless. I don't know. I'm no saint, but feels like the right thing.